we are going to discuss about that P, NP, NP complete, right? NP hard, all these categories of the problem. Now, till now, whatever the problem that we have solved till now, all the problems will take polynomial amount of time, such as linear search, binary search, sorting, all sorting algorithms. You will know that the linear search will take order of n time complexity, binary search will take something log n complexity, some sorting algorithms will take n log n, some sorting algorithms will take n square. So all these problems will fall into the polynomial time, means all these problems can be solved in polynomial time. Now what do you mean by polynomial time? Is it will take order of some n to the power k, where k is nothing but a constant, and some algorithms will take exponential amount of time. Now how can you know that exponential amount of time? When the exponential time means it will take order of 2 to the power n to the power c constant, or c, where c is nothing but a constant. Example of this such problems are TSP, graph coloring, Hamiltonian cycle, all of them. Well, knapsack, all these problems will fall into the exponential time. It will take exponential amount of time. Now there are different categories that we need to know. Some problems can be solved in exponential time. Some problems can be solved in polynomial time. There are some problems which cannot be solved at all. It does not matter how much time we will give you, we cannot solve it. One such example is that halting problem. We have some problems for which we know that it will take exponential amount of time, and also we can prove that no polynomial time algorithm will exist. And the last one is more complicated, where we don't know the status. That means till now we are not able to discover any polynomial time algorithm for those problems. Neither we can prove that we cannot have the polynomial time algorithm. So till now we don't have the solution of polynomial time algorithm. Neither we can prove that in future we cannot have the polynomial time algorithm. So their status is completely unknown. So this is one of the research topic, this particular set of problems. Now we know that P are the set of problems which are solvable within less than equal to polynomial time, means polynomial time, and there are some problems which are solvable in exponential amount of time. So the problem which will fall into this P category will be known as tractable, and exponential time for super polynomial time it will take the intractable. Tractable basically means easy, tractable means which are hard in terms of time. Now we need to know that what will be the NP. So NP does not mean that non-polynomial, it is non-deterministic polynomial time algorithm. So what is our motivation? Our motivation is to reduce the time. So we have several algorithms such as searching. So we have built linear search, then we will go for the binary search so that the time will be taken less. So for the exponential time algorithm, our intention is to find a polynomial time algorithm so that it will take less amount of time. But if it is not possible to find the polynomial time algorithm, then what we are trying to find out, that we are trying to find out an algorithm which will deterministic in nature and it is polynomial. So set of all problems actually for which the non-deterministic polynomial time algorithm exists, they will fall into the NP set. And there is another definition of NP. What is that one? We know that for some examples or problems, exponential time will be taken, such as Hamiltonian cycle. Now we know that till now we are not able to find any polynomial time algorithm. So what the Hamiltonian cycle will do? We have in Hamiltonian cycle a set of, when a graph is given, then we are trying to find out whether a Hamiltonian cycle exists or not. This is known as the problem of Hamiltonian cycle. So to check whether when a graph is given, I need to find out whether a Hamiltonian cycle exists or not. or we are not able to find out within x polynomial time. So what we can say is that at least we can verify the problem. Now what do you mean by verify? Suppose we have 1 3 4 6 2, then I will do say that please sort it. The answer is 1 2 3 4 6. Now I have a set of elements, then I will say that whether it is a sorted or not, then your answer will become either yes or no. So that will be the verify. That means the answer, we are verifying the answer, then the answer is right or wrong. That is the verification means. So definitely for Hamiltonian cycle, we are not able to find any polynomial time algorithm which will say that within a graph whether a Hamiltonian cycle exists or not. But what we can say is that whether we can verify it. That means a set of vertices is given and we are asking whether this one is a Hamiltonian cycle or not. Then we have an algorithm which will verify that a particular cycle is Hamiltonian or not. And we have this algorithm, and the time for this particular algorithm is polynomial time. So we can say that NP is nothing but a set of problems that are verifiable in polynomial time. Polynomial time means in polynomial time algorithm, we can verify the answers. If we can have this, at least this, then we can say that these are following to the NP, means non-deterministic polynomial time algorithm.